All right, so today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to prepare a gang sheet. We just got an order of 50 shirts, so I gotta go ahead and get my DTF ready. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop a comment, hit like, repost, reshare, whatever. Good looking out, it's your boy Rascal. All right, so let's go ahead and look for our design. This is over here. This is for the Hawaiian barbecue. Shout out to Hawaiian barbecue, Q&Q Hawaiian barbecue for placing your order. The first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is create a new file, right, to find the correct sizing, which typically I always go off by inches, and I usually do for them, it's been 11, and if I'm not mistaken, it's 8. Then I go to the original, just copy and paste, and I stretch it out a little bit just to make sure it fits correctly. Now I have one of my templates, or I'm sorry, one that I've been already using. So I'm just gonna go back to my files, and this is my DTF. For anybody who wants to know, my provider out here in Mexico does a metro, so he does it by centimeters, which later on I got the size in inches, right? So this is pretty much the size, 22 inches, and the height is 39.37. Alrighty. So once I have that, I will go ahead and grab my design and start setting up my DTF. So, I with your boy. Si me caigo me levanto más feroz, porque la ruina me entrenó para el dolor. Deportado pero nunca derrotado, hice un imperio con lo poco que me han dado. So, in this section right here, I'm only going to create one DTF gang sheet, and then I'll tell my provider, hey, print this many, right? So I'm going to see how many fit in here, and then obviously, if you know math, you know what's next, right? So let's go ahead and get it. I know she needs my gangster love, gangster love. I know she needs it like a fiend on drugs, fiend on drugs. Baby, don't trip. I got you with that gangster love. Alrighty, so once I have it ready, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the black background, your file, export. It brings up this window. We're gonna go ahead and export it. And typically I just put it over here and then I will name it. So in this one, I am going to do 4, which would equal 48. But I'm also doing the front side, which I do around 4x4. And I'm hoping that all 50 would fit in the next one. So I'm going to send out 5 of these to print and get to work. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and delete these. Just keep those 2. That right there, 12 times 4 is what, guys? There we go. Good job, good job. So that would mean that I need 2 more for my 50, right? And then from here, I'm going to kind of go ahead and do the same process. Where I'm going to go ahead and open a new one. And we're going to do 4x4 inches. I'm going to go ahead and grab the design and then just make it smaller, right? Once I am finished, I'm going to go ahead and grab it and, well, as you know, start preparing it and getting it ready. Again, I do need 50 of these, right? So I'm going to go ahead and make a straight line, merge them, and then multiply it, count, whatever it is. But let's go ahead and do it. I know she needs it like a fiend on drugs. Baby, don't trip. I got you with that gangster love. I got you with that gangster love. There you go. You have him 50. And I'm just gonna print 2 extra since I have some space, just in case your boy makes an error. I am human, but I tend to get I tend to be on point. I tend to be on point though.
West Coast junkies, baby.
Same process. Let's go ahead and export. Let's roll. Well, there you have it. We finished preparing the gang sheet. Again, if you do have any questions, any comments, any input, go ahead and drop it below. As well, if you're interested in getting started and making your own brand, your own clothing brand, right? And you're out here in Tijuana in Mexico and you don't know how to go about it, right? It's very simple. Pretty much all you need is one of these, and that's a heat press, right? I could be your DTF provider as well. I can also set up your gang sheet for you if you don't have Photoshop or you don't know how to, or you're lazy or you just don't want to do it, right? Save yourself some time. If you have clients and you have people, you have good designs, good ideas, hit me up. I got you.